Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Bahamas on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already published video where I have shown you how you can apply for this visa on your desktop device, be it your laptop, desktop, whatever you say. Now we can see that easily do it on your mobile device because the browser, the system is very much mobile friendly. So I've opened this website on my Android device, but yes, if you have an iOS, that's gonna be fine too. So this is the website. Okay, so first list countries who need a visa to enter Bahamas. So you can check if your country is included here or not. Okay, so India is part, but there's a star. So what that star means, we'll find out. Okay, you will find at the bottom, if I'm not wrong, like it states that like if you have certain visa, but anyway we'll go through that. Okay, fine, no worries. So there are two categories. Self-sponsored visa is issued to travel to for the purpose of leisure. You mean what do you call, holidays and all. Okay, what are the documents you need? Completed and signed application form, personal data, signature of passport, job letter, original bank reference less than 6 months old, police report, medical certificate, then where you're gonna stay, your in and out tickets. Okay, children date of birth, conference letter if applicable, previous visas if granted. Okay, now the second is the who does not need a visa. So this also you can check. For example, as a Canadian, I don't need this visa, but if anybody wants to go from India, they they need. Okay, so guys, like you saw that up when I showed you for India, there was a mark. So that means that if you have a valid Schengen, UK, Canada or USA visa, you don't need a Bahamas visa. But yes, you need to furnish that, and you need to apply along with that so that they can actually check, yeah, you do meet that criteria. Okay, fine. I mean, when you apply means when you reach there. Okay, all right. I mean, at the time of immigration, you need to show them that, yeah, this I have, and also when you board a flight, so that they can also check that, yeah, you need. Anyway, guys, so let's go through the checklist, because at the end here itself we see that we can access the online application. So country. So let's start with India, and assume you don't have that Schengen, US, UK, Canada visa. Okay, see, you get this message here. Do you have valid email address? Yes, you need. Otherwise, how will you apply? Valid passport? Yes. Which type you need? I select self, single entry. Okay. Acceptable photo. Do you have this? Acceptable scanned, valid. You can check, see what documents you need by clicking on this. They have provided the list. Oh, it's downloading. But anyway, we have gone through that above, so I don't need to go that again. Okay, I clicked on the online application. Okay, now here the services. See, there are multiple tabs on top. So if you have a photo that you want to see if that meets the criteria or not, you can check your photo, upload and check. Okay, then but when you apply, you need to go for apply for visa. Track application is for tracking. Resume application, if you leave the application between and you want to complete your incomplete application, then you go for that option. Pay visa fee if the office asks you to pay. Okay, and if they ask you to submit a new photo, that you can do. And submit documents like if they ask you for additional documents. It does not happen in every case, but it may happen in some cases. So that is why they do have this option ready. Okay, so I click on apply for a visa. Find out applicant national require a visa to enter. I select yes. Okay, which you want. I select visitor. I select self-sponsored. Is passport 6 months from the internet? I select yes. You can apply for a visa online. Digital photo, required documents, credit card. Yes. Start application. Okay. Surname given and date of birth, nationality, passport number. Make sure it matches with your passport. I'm gonna do this. So I put sample details because again I'm not gonna apply for the visa, but you need to do as per like your case. Okay. You wanna go to the next, you can go for next. Again, like you can like come back and do later when you can save and go. All right. So now purpose of visit, write it down. Oh, it's a drop down. So let's say we want to go for vacation. Okay, when are you coming in? You can go on this calendar option. Let's say you are going in June 12. Number of stays in days, let's say I go for 3 weeks. A level of money in stay dollars, let's say we have a sample, guys. Traveling with spouse, I select no. Traveling with dependents, I select no. But this also like you get some indication that how you can apply it as a family too. Okay. Preferred visa office to attend appointment. See the list where you wanna do wanna Los Angeles or what. I select this one, but again you need to do as per your case. Preferred appointment day if they want to. Oh, I'm sorry, I tapped at the wrong place. But yeah, before submitting, any day, appointment time, preferred appointment time, anytime. Again, it depends if they really want to, and depending upon the availability, you can save application too, and they come back and do later. Okay. Gender. That's a drop down. So I select male. Country of birth. Again, it's a drop down, and we can go for India. City of birth, do it as per your national ID number if you have provide. If you don't have, that's okay. But yes, if your country issues and then you don't do, they can definitely ask like for the reason if they want to. Okay, issue date, expiry date, place of issue, country of issue. So guys, be very careful and verify this at least 2 times. Okay, I put place of issue, date of issue. Like these things should match with your passport, no doubt. Okay, now what? Add address, contact details, address, phone number, work phone, mobile phone, email, confirm email. So add address, we'll start with primary address, street address, city, country. Okay, I'm gonna put some sample. I put a sample and saved. Again, I'm gonna put some sample here, but you don't put sample, you put exact. Okay, next is the employment. Employment type, drop down. Employed, retired, student, unemployed. I select employed. Then they're asking for employer number, your employer number, employer phone number, your profession, and number of year employed. Previous employer information they too have asked, but that's not mandatory. But why not provide, right? There's nothing to it. So I'm gonna put some sample. So I added some sample, but yeah, you do provide as per your situation. And then go for next. Oh, emergency contact. Oh, no, we have gone to family information tab. It's asking for the marital status. So I select single. Parent information is not mandatory, but there's no need to hide. Okay, definitely provide parent information, family information, and emergency contact information too. Why would you hide it, right? There's no reason. But this sample video I'm not putting it, but definitely provide. Even if you click on add family, it will ask the relationship. So what are the brother, sister, other? So definitely provide this information. There is no reason not to provide these information, although they are not mandatory. Emergency contact is mandatory, so you have to. Relationship. So for emergency contact, let's say I provided father. Okay, now let's say the sample Peter Smith. Okay, so I provided emergency contact to save. I'll tap on save. Saved. Now I can go to next. Okay, travel information. Okay, name of hotel. If you have already booked, you have this number like your hotel name or contact detail, mode of arrival, how you are going, and address. Definitely. So I'm gonna put some sample. So I put some sample. Okay, aircraft. Now you need to add address. So if you have booked the hotel, definitely you know the address, right? See the country and this already selected. So I'm gonna put some. This is also there now, sample, but you provide actual. Okay, additional applicant has a criminal conviction. I select no, but again do it as per your case. Applicant has committed. Wow. I select no. Do it as per. Have ever visited Bahamas? So I select no. Assume this is your first trip, but you need to answer as per your own case. Have applied for this visa before? I selected no. You will be deported, remanded, or required to leave Bahamas? I select no. Okay, I click next. Now you have to upload the photo. Okay, and then in the next section it's gonna ask for documents, and then you can review, where you can even go back and make changes. So I would say every detail you need to do at least twice checked, then you submit, and if all good, it's confirmation, and if everything goes smooth, you are all good to go. So that is how simple it works, guys. But again, based on your case, there could be additional steps. They may call you for an interview or additional documents if they really want to. Otherwise you should be good. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.